Welcome back, grade 2 students. Welcome in your science lesson. Okay. Now, tell me, class, what was the topic that we were doing previously, which we started this whole week? That was light. Very good. Now we started the new topic that is light, and this, as you know, we have already started the second term, and this is the first week of second term, that is week 13, and today is the third day of week 13. Correct. Now, coming back to our topic, tell me, children, what do you know about light? What is light? It's a form of energy. Very good. Light is a form of energy. And what else do you know? Sun is the source of energy. Sun is the source of energy, of heat and light. Right. What happens then? What else do you know? If we will not get light, animals and plants cannot survive. Right. Plants and animals, they cannot survive without light. Right. So they need light to survive. We all need light. Yes or no? We all need light to survive because light is the source of energy. It gives us heat and energy, right? So now what happens, class, that you know that light helps us to see, right? Where what happens then when the objects, they will get the light reflects on the objects, right? See that we are able to see because of this light, and that light rays that reflects off the objects and it reflects into our eyes, so we are able to see. But all the objects are not reflectors. There are only few objects that are reflectors, like you can say a mirror is a reflector, glass, water is a reflector, and aluminum foil is also a reflector. Now what happens, what is reflector? Now you will say, what is teacher reflector? Reflector is the bouncing of light on the objects. What is reflector? Reflector is the bouncing of that the light bouncing off objects. When the light is bounce on the object, that is the reflector. Okay. Now the light bouncing on of the objects, that is a reflector. Right. Now this is, you can say, aluminum foil. As I have told you that everything is not a reflector. Now this is an aluminum foil. Now I am putting this light is going. You can see it reflects, it bounces. You can see now the light is coming and it bounces off object, right? You can see the reflection, right? You can see the light reflection. Now in the same way, this, you can see the reflection of light in this water. Yes. So these are the objects which are the reflectors. Now we can put light on different objects, like you can see this is a globe. You can see light here. Yes. If I will not put light, it won't shine. Now I'm putting light on it, so it is shining. Same goes for your book. Your book is not a reflector. You can, I'm putting this light on your book so that you can easily see it, but it is not reflecting, right? Whereas if I'm putting light on this water, it is, you can see the reflection inside the water. Yes, correct. If I'm putting light on this aluminum foil, you can see the reflection, how it is shining. So this is the difference. This is the difference between different objects. every you can put light on all the objects, different objects, but all the objects are not reflector. They are not reflectors. Only few objects are the reflectors like water, aluminum foil, and mirror. You can see the reflection, whereas on the other objects you cannot see the reflection, like I have already explained you. Right? So class, what is light? Come on, we will discuss this in a minute. There are few things that you need to remember, and those things I will explain you in a while. Yes. What is light? Light is a it's a form of energy, right? And what is reflection? Reflector. What is the meaning of reflection? Means bouncing of light. The light bounces off of the objects, right? So that is reflection. Now comes that you can say, okay, reflection is bouncing off objects and off double F, sorry, bouncing off objects are reflection, reflector. The object bounce, the light bounce off the object. You can see how you can see the shining of the light on the object. That is the reflection. So that means, children, reflection happens all around us. But we can only see the reflection on certain objects. All the objects, as I have told you, are not reflectors, right? So, what are reflectors? You can say this is the glass of water. This is a reflector. Then you can see the aluminum foil. This is a reflector. Water is a reflector. Then you can see what else I have told you? A mirror. A mirror is also a reflector. So these are the reflector. You can see the reflection of light when you put light on it, as I have already shown you. The rest of the objects, when you put light on it, it won't shine. You will not have the reflection. You can see the light through those objects. You can see those objects clearly, but they are not the reflectors. You will not have the reflection of light. Do you understand the difference between the objects, right? The objects and the reflectors. So, what is light? It is a form of energy. Because without this energy, without the heat and energy that you get from the light, the plants will not survive, animals will not survive, and survival for humans will also become difficult. As you know, we all need air, we all need some water, light, air to live, right? And when we are not going to get this light, it will be difficult for us to survive. And what is the main source of light? From where do we get this light? We get this light from the sun. Sun is the main source of light. It gives us light also. Sun gives us heat also. Like we have seen, I have shown you the presentation. So many things I have shown you in that presentation, which are the sources of heat, which are the sources of light. So what else? What are other sources of light? Sun is the main source of light, as you all know. What else? Tube light is another source of light, right? But they are artificial. Bulb, the light you get from the bulb is also another source. Torch, the light you get from torch is also another source. Candle, right? Fire, right? These are all the sources of light. But fire, sunlight, and the light which you get from the stars, that are actually the main source of light. Not the stars, only the candle, sunlight, and fire. These are the three main sources. Candle, sunlight, and fire. These are the three main sources of light. The rest of the sources are artificial sources, like the light you get from the bulb, from the tube light, from your car light, from torch. So these are also the sources of light. They give you light. But from where you get heat and light, you get it from the sun. That is the main natural source. You get the heat from the sun. In the same way, you can get heat from your, you can say, blower, from your converter, your heater. You get heat from that also. But those are all artificial things. Your natural thing, which is from nature, is your sunlight. Correct? So that is what we were doing about the reflectors of light. What are the reflectors of light, and what is the difference between the reflectors and other objects from where when we shine light on them, right? So that means this is now clear to you all, right? Now what I want from you people is write down these two answers of the questions, that what is light? Light is a form of energy, and what is reflection of light? Reflection of light means bouncing off objects. Quickly write down these answers, and later on you can also draw pictures showing the reflectors, water, aluminum foil, and mirror. So since it's writing and drawing, so I'm going to give you 10 minutes time, and your time starts now. Okay class, time is up, time is up. Have you done the work? Show me your work. Wow, very nice drawing, very good, very good. So now in wrapping up, can you summarize your topic in one sentence? We have learned about the reflectors of light. What are the reflectors of light, and what is light? Any other? Yes. Can anybody else tell me in another sentence, summarize the topic? Yes, we have learned about the that about light. That light is a form of energy. Very good. And we have also learned about the reflectors of light. That what are the reflectors of light, and what is the difference between the reflectors and other objects? Very good class. Okay. So I hope you'll be able to do the homework. I'll be posting that on portal. It would be related to all your work that we have done just now in the class. Okay. And if there is any confusion, you can leave it, but it will be very easy for you. And also keep revising the topic. Keep revising whatever we are doing every day. Okay, it's going to help you out now at the end of the session. Then at the end of this session, you won't be in a rush to revise and to go through it all the topics that you have done. Okay, in this way we will be able to understand it also. And if there is any confusion, you can ask me right now when we are doing this topic. Okay, so you can ask me in the next class. All right, class. So see you. Bye bye.